Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set voice control continuous overlay to none, item numbers, item names and number grid on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then in here tap on accessibility. Then we scroll down and tap on voice control. Then scroll down and in the continuous overlay section tap on overlay. From the list here you could select none, item numbers, item names or number grid. And depending on which item you have selected at the top panel, the number of different options will be available at the bottom here will be different. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.